Who, me?
You don't have any questions?
I do.
Yeah, I do.
What's your name and badge number?
Oh, I'm also that is 172.
All right, and is there any reason why you're giving directives of not standing on a public sidewalk?
I would say you should step away from the traffic stop. I asked you not standing. I didn't think you couldn't. Crazy, crazy. You have a good day, okay? Is there anything else?
No.
Yeah, don't give unlawful directives.
Sir?
I said don't give unlawful directives.
I just asked you to not be in the traffic stop.
Do what?
I just asked you to please not be in that traffic stop. I didn't know what that question.
You said don't be in the. I'm hard of hearing. Don't be in the traffic stop.
I don't think so, no. Yeah, I asked him to not please be in the traffic stop. I am thinking. If he stepped any closer, yeah, I would have told him he has to leave.
I don't understand how standing on the sidewalk will be in the traffic stop.
It's a safety thing. I recognized y'all after you stood there. I thought it was just some random guy walking in. And I was like, wait.
It shouldn't matter who it is, though. Like,
you can't go in the traffic stop.
I'm not.
You can't, like, intervene. That's what I'm trying to do. I don't know who you are or where you're from.
Interference is a physical act.
That's why I asked you.
But you do understand that interference is a physical act, right?
Yeah.
So,
When you walk in,
so by the fact of him standing on the sidewalk, that's not interfering.
that's why I asked him, bro.
But it doesn't matter. It could have been anybody. It could have been Moses on the ark if it was on the sidewalk. That's not interfering with your traffic stop.
I asked him to just leave the traffic stop.
But he wasn't in the traffic stop. The person in the vehicle was in your traffic stop.
He was just close to my vehicle. That's why I just asked him to move.
So you felt unsafe is what you're saying.
It's a safety concern, so I just asked him to move. But I didn't feel it. The way you say it.
What'd you just say? It's all about phrasing, right?
Yeah, it is. A lot of legal stuff is all about phrasing.
So I don't understand the person with the taser and the gun and the baton. You're in fear, but yet we're standing here on the sidewalk with a camera, and it makes no sense to me. There's no logic behind it. But if your interpretation of fear is different than mine, and I can't judge that. So,
yeah, I mean, you can say it how you want.
I mean, there's no other reason to say officer safety unless there's a fear factor, correct?
Because you don't know who's going to come in your traffic stop. I mean, as crazy as it sounds, there are people that do some questionable things. I've seen some crazy videos. I think you guys have too. It is what it is. Not everyone's obviously going to do it. I'd say majority won't. But you still have to just tell people, hey, can you step away from here? Yeah. I don't know what he's going to do. I don't know what you're going to do. Just got to keep things in order.
Let me give you a little word of advice. If you would have just not said nothing,
yeah,
we wouldn't be having this conversation right now. Just let me do my thing. And then
like I think it would have been easier like if he had have said something out of the way, then you asked him to step away, or if he did something that gestured that might be unsafe for you, then to give a directive. But just off the bat to step away, no matter who it is, I just think it's pointless. Because at the end of the day, this is a public sidewalk, correct? So there's people able to move freely. It could have been someone that deals with mental issues. They could have been talking to themselves. To you, that would have been, not normal. So just for someone standing here and merely walking, I don't think that constitutes an officer safety issue.
That's fair.
I mean, just get used to it, bro. Get used to it.
You guys coming back in town?
You said coming back in town?
Hot minute, that's all.
Yeah, I took a break. My dad passed.
I'm sorry for that. Yeah. I'm going to move out of this way because I don't like being parked on the side road like this.
I got you.
Anything else y'all have to say to me?
Be safe.
You all too, okay?
Appreciate
Have a good
it.
one, okay?
All right, guys.
This officer was quick to overstep, asking a bystander on a public sidewalk to move away from a routine traffic stop under the pretense of officer safety. Let's set the record straight. Standing on a public sidewalk and observing is not interference. The First Amendment protects our right to observe and document public officials in public spaces. Simply being present or filming doesn't threaten officer safety. Police often use officer safety as a catch-all excuse to control or intimidate citizens. But legally, interference requires a physical act or obstruction. Standing by with a camera doesn't qualify. The Fourth Amendment further protects against unreasonable orders when there's no real safety threat. Baseless directives like this are just intimidation tactics designed to make citizens feel like they're crossing a line when they're not. Instead of respecting citizens' rights, this officer chose to assert control where it wasn't needed. This is exactly the behavior that erodes trust and respect for law enforcement. Officers need to understand that authority has limits. This isn't about their personal comfort, it's about protecting our rights as citizens. Let's keep going.
What's your name and your position? Because I don't like your attitude. Sir, can you identify, please? Roland Garcia. What are you doing,
Don't
sir?
get close to me. You can take all the video you want. Don't
What are you
get close to
doing?
me. You got close to me. Don't get
What are
close
you
to me.
doing to? What are you doing?
Don't get close to me.
Relax, bro.
You can no. Don't tell me what to do. You can film all you want, but don't get close to me.
What's wrong with you, bro? Relax. I'm trying to file a complaint on you. I want to file a complaint on you.
You file all the complaints you want. Don't get close
What
to
are
me.
you doing, bro? Relax, bro.
That's all I'm telling you.
You're being disorderly.
Got some friend in that's got some paperwork that's in.
You don't know what disorderly is, man.
You are being disorderly.
Okay.
Right. So
What's your name so I can file a complaint on you?
You already saw it, didn't you?
Watch how you talk to me, bro. Watch how you treat me, bro. You're unprofessional. I'm here on official business.
Yeah, you're an official. What's your official business?
I'm here to pick up a cell
What's
phone.
your official business?
I have
Are you
a-
official?
I have
Are you
a-
an official of what?
I have
You're
a-
official of what? What are you an
Is he
official
outside?
of?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tomorrow's gonna bring it down and give it to him outside.
You're an official
Okay.
of what? What are you an official of?
I explained
What?
everything to you. I'm here to pick up a
Tomorrow's gonna
phone.
bring it down and give it to him.
Sir, can I have your name to file a complaint? Sir, can I have your name to file a complaint?
Complaint for what?
Because you guys are being discourteous and unprofessional. Can I have your name, please, to file a complaint?
Nobody's disrespected you.
Yes, sir, he did.
And
You have to identify by state law. What's your name, sir?
listen, don't come here antagonizing us. Man.
I'm not antagonizing. I'm here on official business, and you guys are giving me attitude. Can I have your name, please?
Listen, I'm being cordial with you, man.
Yes, I want you're being cordial, but you want to
I'm not gonna
identify.
be subject to your shenanigans.
I'm not shenanigans. I'm asking for your name to file a complaint.
Tamayo's gonna be here. Give your friend his phone outside.
I would like to file an official complaint on you, sir. And can I have your name? You'll throw it in my face, but you want to identify. Now I have a question. Can I film here? Yes or no? If not, I'll turn off my camera.
We're turned off.
Problem.
Bro, you're the one getting near me, bro. You're the one getting near me.
Let's do this.
You're getting near me.
Let's go. Come on. Get near me.
You're getting near me. You're getting near me, sir.
Come on.
I have everything on camera.
All day
You
long.
see who's getting near me? Look, I'm gonna take a step back.
Oh, there you go.
That's smart.
He's the one getting near me, bro.
Don't film any of the people.
Do that again.
Ooh.
Again?
Ooh.
You see? Unprofessional government employees.
Then again, let me see your ID.
Yes, sir. I'm here on official business. Wait, this motion is from my friend that's outside, not from me. He wants to come in to pick up his property, but he wants to talk to Tamayo first.
There's no talking. I'm just gonna give him the phone.
Okay. He wants to file a complaint, though. I want to file a complaint. Why are you getting close to me? You see? He tells me not to get close to him. I walk away and he gets close to me. I don't want any problems, sir. Please. I just want to pick up the phone and leave. We went to the police station and they said that they don't have it. So that's why we came over here. But we don't want to be here. The judge signed it because they released the phone. It's right across the street.
I'm asking you, where's the signature?
If you want, I could bring Joey inside.
No, I'm just saying, where's the signature from the judge, though? There's no signature from the judge.
I'm telling you, it's certified.
But there's no signature from a judge on it.
I believe there is, sir.
I'm looking at it, man.
Well, this came from Judge Treywick. We will not falsify documents. Are you accusing us of falsifying documents? No, I'm saying, are you accusing us of a crime? Are you accusing me of a crime?
I don't see a judge signature. Here it has the judge right.
Sir, it needs to be. It has to have the signature before it gets before you get the certified stamp. It has to be signed by the judge.
You want to show me where the judge's signature is?
Sir, I'm just explaining to you. I don't want to be I feel like you're being disrespectful to me, sir. I'm just showing you the paper. Look how he laughs like a little girl. Keep giggling like a little girl. That's what you're doing. You're being very unprofessional,
Wait a minute. You just called me a little girl. So who's being disrespectful right now? Who's being disrespectful right now?
I'm not going to answer any questions.
Why don't you answer?
I'm not going to answer any questions.
So, you're the one that's just disrespectful.
Sir, can you please step back? Please. I'm asking you to step back, please. Please, I'm asking you to step back. I'm trying to be very nice to you guys. I just came here for official business. I don't want any problems.
Is there a judge signature on it? There's no judge's signature.
Sir, are you accusing me of a crime? Then charge me, please. If you're accusing me of a crime, please charge me. We'll go back to the judge. I'll show the judge this video, and he'll sign another order. I promise you.
All right, well, I think he might have to go sign another order and come back on Monday.
All right, but you told me to wait for tomorrow, right?
Yeah, but there's no need. There's no judge signature.
Sir, listen, I don't want to do this again. Can we just get it over with now so we don't have to do this again?
Yeah, take a look at this. Okay. Does this require a judge's signature?
That's a motion for return of property. I'm sorry.
Does this require a judge's signature?
This guy's crazy.
For
If you guys want me to leave the building, tell me, and I'll leave the building.
I don't see a judge's signature.
Am I being trespassed?
Stay the building.
But you told me to wait for tomorrow.
Apparently, I'm reading this paperwork. There's no judge signature in there.
Sir, it's certified. Okay. Can I speak to your boss, please? Can I speak to a supervisor?
There's a supervisor right here.
And that's why they showed it to him.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the judge's courtroom. If he signs it, can I come back?
Yeah.
The judge is across the street.
According to him, who's also an attorney, he's saying that's.
We went to the police
Go get a
department.
judge's
We went to the
signature.
police
Go get the
department. They
judge's
say they don't have it.
Okay, yeah, he says you need to go back to the judge, have him sign it.
All right, ma'am. And who are you? Because you don't have a uniform or a badge. Can I have your name?
Investigator Schuster.
Thank you.
Investigators refused to release property despite a certified motion signed by a judge, blatantly violating judicial authority and Florida state law regarding the return of property. This refusal directly disregarded legal mandates and undermined the rule of law. Additionally, their refusal to accept or process a formal complaint was another clear violation. Florida law explicitly requires public officials to allow citizens to file complaints against government employees. This failure to comply with legal obligations highlights a concerning abuse of power. Their aggressive and obstructive behavior, including baseless accusations of falsifying documents, amounted to harassment and could be interpreted as an abuse of power under the color of law. Despite this, the cameraman remained calm and assertive, repeatedly requesting proper identification and a clear explanation for the refusal to comply with the judge's order. In a hostile environment, the cameraman documented the interaction, ensuring transparency and accountability. His refusal to be intimidated by unprofessional conduct serves as a powerful example of resilience in the face of government overreach. Through exceptional composure and persistence, he held officials accountable and reminded us all of the importance of citizen oversight in maintaining transparency and justice. His actions stand as a testament to the power of peaceful, informed resistance. And let's keep going.
You can't do that. You can't do that.
So we can't do what?
You can't video it here.
We can't video in here?
No.
Who says?
I'm telling you, you can't.
Who says that?
I'm telling you. This is for. You can't do it. Put
Why?
it down.
Why?
Because I'm just telling you, you can't.
But
Don't
can-
video me. Don't video me. Please don't.
Well,
it's
too late for that now.
But you need to take that off there. Because if you put me on there and I see it anyway, I'm going to sue you.
Oh, okay.
Trust me.
Yo, are you guys
You can't do that. Take that outside.
Yes, we are.
You gotta take it outside. You gotta take it outside.
Hey, don't you touch me. Don't you touch me.
Don't record
Yo,
me.
don't get violent.
Don't record me.
Yo,
Don't record me.
don't get
Don't
violent.
record me.
Yo,
Don't
don't
record
get
me.
violent,
Don't
bro.
record me. Don't record
Don't
me.
you get-
Yo,
Do you
don't
work
record
for
me.
the city?
Did you ask me for permission?
We're public, man. Relax.
You didn't ask
Relax,
me for no
bro.
permission.
Bro, relax.
Listen, I'm telling you.
Relax.
I'm telling you.
Relax.
I'm telling you.
Relax. Don't
Yo,
touch me. You guys are assaulting me.
I'm not assaulting you. You gotta
You
take
guys
it
are
outside.
assaulting me.
You gotta take it outside. You
guys
gotta
are
take it
assaulting-
outside.
This is a public building. This is a public
No, it's
building.
not. No, it's not.
All right.
Yo, relax. Relax, man. What's the problem?
Why you recording me?
You're at work, man.
Why you recording me?
You're at work, man.
Okay.
Chill out.
Okay.
Who assaulted you?
Excuse me.
Yo, hey, watch yourself.
You gotta take it outside. You gotta take it
No,
outside.
leave me alone.
You gotta take it outside.
So why are you kidding me?
You gotta take it outside.
Look, this is
Why you
no. Hey, I'm not recording you.
Bounce up out of here.
I'm recording them.
Let's go.
I'm recording them, not you.
Confidentiality
No.
I'm
purposes.
recording them.
Let's go.
Not you, ma'am.
Who are you?
Let's
Tell
go.
me what to do.
You
Yo,
cannot
bro,
take
gonna
why
keep
you
recording me?
Bro, why you getting violent?
Because you're recording me, bro.
Bro, you're
I'm
recording.
telling you, don't record me.
Bro, don't get
record me.
violent, man.
confidential.
You don't have to record me.
Bro, we're journalists, bro.
You don't have to
Relax.
record me. I don't care who you you are. Did you ask me? Did you ask me? Did you ask me?
Calm down,
Nah, hell no.
Calm down.
I don't care who you are. You ain't recording me like that. Hell no.
Calm down, bro.
Nah, I'm not gonna come down. Stop recording, and then I'm gonna come down.
All right, man. Calm down.
I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. I ain't playing with you.
There's no reason for this, bro.
Listen, I'm not playing with you.
There's no reason for
I'm not playing with you.
Yo, relax.
Don't point that phone at me.
There's no reason for
Before,
this.
yo, because I'm losing my patience.
Bro, there's no
I'm losing my patience.
Relax, bro.
I'm losing my patience.
Relax, bro. Relax.
Don't point it at me.
Bro, just relax.
I'm telling you.
Relax, man.
I'm telling you.
Look. Why are you getting so violent? Look, man, you don't want to be on camera. Just stay over there. Just stay over there. I'll talk to him.
Just take it out the building.
Just take it out the building.
Look, man.
For confidentiality purposes of the Department of Human Service, you cannot record here.
You're gonna keep
If
recording
you
me?
just broke my property,
I don't
I'll
care.
make sure.
I told you already. Don't record me.
Come on.
He
come
stopped
on, man.
recording me. You still
You
recording
don't
me.
see him
Come on.
losing.
Look, man,
Come
don't
on,
do
man.
that.
Just take it
him
out.
away.
No, take it
You're
outside.
security.
Take it outside. I am security.
I
Take it
don't
outside.
care.
You cannot
You
record
just
these people.
assaulted us.
Okay.
You just assaulted
Okay.
us.
You
can't record nobody in this building.
Oh my
For
God.
confidentiality purposes, you cannot.
He's just assaulting us.
He didn't touch you.
You'll see
He
it on
didn't
video.
touch you.
You'll see it on
When did he
video.
touch you?
I'm in public.
When did he
Somebody
touch you?
touched me.
You're supposed to ask me for permission.
No, I do not. You have no
Okay.
right to private
You're not a
property.
journalist. You're not a journalist.
You
Show me
still
somebody.
recording.
Bro,
Says you're a
bro,
journalist.
we're journalists. We
Show
got
me.
a channel,
Show
man.
me.
We got
Show
a
me.
fucking, we got a channel.
I don't care who you are. Don't record me. That's what I'm telling you.
We're journalists.
No, I want-
We have freedom of press. Are you kidding me?
Here, right
Did I touch you?
here, right here.
Did I touch you?
Nobody
Did I touch you?
You touched me.
Did I touch you?
I did not touch you.
I have you on video.
Yeah, I did not hurt you. I was leading you out of the
No, you don't have to leave me. Are you a police officer?
I'm not.
So you don't touch nobody.
That's fine. But we're done right now. We're done right now.
Well aware of it.
We're here and we need to
We're
be
talking to
here.
her. She's a supervisor.
She's
You cannot.
supervisor.
I don't care. He has nothing to do with
You
this.
guys are just, you're here.
You need to take it out the building.
We're calling the cops.
Go ahead. You cannot record people in the Department of Human Services for confidential purposes. You cannot.
We were not in a
You
restricted
are,
area.
yeah.
That's
Yes, it is. What's
It's a
that say?
hallway.
What's that sign say?
That's a
Department of
hall-
Human Services.
That's a
I
hallway.
don't, doesn't matter. People are going in the Department of Human Services.
We can-
I don't care.
Listen, we can
I don't
do this in-
care.
we can-
And don't tell me I assaulted you, because I can. Trust me, if I have to.
I've got video.
I don't care. You got a video. Did I put my hands on you?
It doesn't matter.
Yes, it does matter. It does matter.
You got
It does
up your
matter.
chest bone.
It does matter. What? I did what?
You got right up on my
So
chest.
I didn't get up on your chest. If I was in your chest, you know it. I'll be up in your shirt.
Is that a
Bro,
threat?
So no, it's a promise. It's a promise.
you're a security officer. Why you guys
Yeah,
so?
no, because you're not supposed to film people in going in the Department of Human Services.
But you have
for
to be
confidential
you have to be
I told you from the get-go, you cannot film here. I said it as nice as you wanted me to say it. I said it as nice as you wanted to say it.
We're not. We're journalists. We have a channel. Why don't you guys
I don't
understand?
care about your channel. What channel is it? You don't even know yourself. It took you too long to answer.
Man, I got
Stop.
millions of views.
Well, I don't
I
want to be
do.
on there.
Well,
I don't want to be on
You're
there.
already on there.
I don't want to be on
You
there.
understand.
You guys are crazy.
You're already
We
on
got
there.
millions of views.
Supervisor on that side, they're gonna speak to their administrators in terms of what is allowed for them, because they also came into our side as well.
Because they went down the hallway filming
And they
people
didn't. We went into
going in.
probation, and he
Listen-
didn't
listen
assault
to what I'm
us.
saying. I didn't assault you.
You're more than welcome.
You got in
to
our
film
faces.
on our side.
I'm gonna get
Oh,
your name.
did you speak with the police?
But you cannot film people. There's
So
people
how-
that's going in here.
So why
you
did you
cannot
change
film.
your mind?
Well, I didn't change my mind. At first I asked
You were asking us to leave.
At
Yep,
first I
absolutely.
asked you to leave,
You
but
took
then
my property from me without permission.
Oh man, cut it out, man.
My God. Officer, we were just assaulted. We were just assaulted. What's your name and badge number? Oh,
Well, why don't you just tell me what's going on first, please?
Some crazy situation.
Okay, come on over here.
We were just.
Okay, why don't you guys come over and explain it to me for a second, okay? So I can get the information from you. What's going on?
Well, we came in to film.
Hang on one second. Let me get their story. Then I'll be more than happy to chat with you
State
guys.
employees in the course of their official duty.
Yep.
And they were fine in there. Actually, they came in and told us we couldn't do that, which we already know we can. But regardless of that, we came back out here into the waiting area or into the lobby area, right? We're walking around. We look down this hallway, and both the security guards immediately start to attack us.
When you use the word attack.
Oh,
In our personal, way too far into our personal space, pushing us back with their chest.
Okay.
One security guard back over here grabbed my phone and started pushing me back with his hands.
Okay.
That's assault.
Okay.
And I want to press charges against him.
All right, we'll file a report for sure.
Is this happened to both of you guys or just one of you?
That happened to me. Well, he didn't take your phone, did he?
Nobody touched me.
Nobody touched you?
No.
Okay. Because when I came in, you said you wanted to file charges for assault.
Well,
Yeah.
for him.
Okay, well, you said you, so I just want to make sure.
Well, they all got really.
Well, I mean, it's all
they
recorded,
all,
so I want
they,
to make
yeah.
sure we're getting the information.
It's
correct,
all
right?
recorded.
Okay.
They got very aggressive.
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll definitely need to see the video footage. Okay.
They got very aggressive.
Yeah. All right, can I get your name, sir?
My name?
Yeah, do you have your
Let me,
idea?
What's your name and badge number? What's your name?
84. Badge number 84.
Oh, 84. Okay.
153, right? You guys have business cards or anything, or no?
I don't know.
Will I be able to get instant report number 2?
Yeah, we can figure something out with that.
Alright.
I'll let you know.
I mean, if we're gonna give up all of our information, I want to press charges. So,
You want to press charges?
You wanna press charges?
I mean, why not? If we have to identify ourselves and go through all that,
Just don't press.
giving up.
Just don't press charges on them. If they want to press charges on them, that's on them. We're out here to educate people on a First Amendment right to film in public. We're not out here to get confrontation with people. I mean, bro, you do what? Honestly, you do what? You do what you want. You do what you want. I don't want to. Don't subpoena me for anything.
It's not broken.
Yeah, don't take me to court for anything because I'm not gonna. I'll plead a
Well,
fifth.
we're still investigating. The officers are still investigating the situation, so we're trying to figure out what
Yeah.
happened. And we just need you to stand by. Can you step over here, please?
Am I being detained?
Right now, you are temporarily detained until we investigate what happened.
Crime right now. So.
Okay?
Yeah.
You're not under arrest, but I
So,
need you to just
so what crime? What crime do you suspect me of committing?
We don't know if a crime has been.
Well, that's not how the law works.
Okay.
You investigate first, and then
That's what
and
we're
then you
doing.
detain.
Right.
So you can't just say I'm detained right now.
We
That's how it goes.
Okay. Just stand here, please.
Listen, you don't tell me what to do. Right now, we're the victims of a crime. All right. So take it easy. Am I still being detained?
Yes, temporarily. Everyone.
Under
No,
suspicion.
they're being-
Under suspicion of what crime?
We're investigating what happened.
You have to tell me why you're detaining me. If you're detaining me.
To investigate what happened, sir.
You investigate first. You see, you guys got it all twisted up. You detain first, then you investigate. You have to investigate, have reasonable, articulable suspicion that a crime is being committed, has been committed, or is about to be committed. So, if I'm not,
You're confusing temporary detention versus custody.
that's
We're not in
you have
custody
to
yet.
you have to have
Okay.
reasonable suspicion to detain anybody. We're not going anywhere because we want to prove a point here.
Okay.
But I just want you to make sure that you know that I'm not being detained.
Okay.
So, am I being detained?
We can go back and forth all day.
I just
need
want
you
to know.
cooperate, sir.
I just want to know. Are we being detained?
I need you to cooperate with us, please.
We're asking you a question, officer.
I've answered that question. I'm done answering the question.
Oh,
okay?
so I'm being illegally detained right now. I'm illegally detained. Well, that's all you had to say. I gave you plenty opportunity to think about what you're saying.
Okay.
Am I being detained?
You called us here, right?
No, I didn't call the police. Am I being detained? Because
We're just chatting with you, right?
this officer over here says I'm being detained,
All right.
but he doesn't know that he needs reasonable suspicion to detain somebody. So am I being suspected of a crime right now?
What? No, I was going to tell him. Can you just listen to him so we can?
No, this is important to me right
So
now.
you said to us that you didn't want to file charges, correct?
I don't.
Okay.
I don't.
So you no longer, because immediately when I walked in, you absolutely 100%
Listen,
did.
listen. We were going through a
And
rough
as soon
situation.
As soon as we asked you for your information,
We were going
you
through.
changed your mind.
Listen to me.
Okay.
We just went through a very, tense moment right now. All right. We're not here to get nobody in trouble.
Okay.
We're here to educate the public on public photography laws. Okay, on our First Amendment right. That consists also of freedom of press. So there's a big misunderstanding in the public that everybody thinks public recording is a bad thing. Now this officer over here detained me, and now he's leaving. Am I being detained, sir?
No, you can leave anytime you want.
Are you a
We have
police
your-
officer? What's your name and badge number?
My badge number is C5, Captain Gonzalez.
Did you see?
You're the captain?
Yes.
Okay.
I
This guy said I was being detained. Not him. The one I just left.
saw a situation
You investigate
involving
first,
your phone.
then you detain.
I
You don't detain and then investigate. You know what I mean? You might want to speak with him about that because he just illegally detained me right now.
All right, we good?
We're good here. Yeah, we're gonna document this in a report. Okay.
Okay.
So you guys know what did
Can
happen.
we get an instant report number and
Yep,
a card with your guys' name, or at least one of your names on it?
We can give you that.
Excellent, thank you.
Go on, Jonesy. We'll give him the OF and get him a card. Okay.
I would like to. I would like to have a word with the other young guy off camera if possible.
I don't know if we want that to happen right now. We don't want any
I'm not willing to give you
Because
my name.
no, I really, it's not a confrontation. I'm trying to be nice to him about something. I want to talk to him. You know, he's lucky that we're not. I don't want to press charges.
I don't think that's possible at this point in time.
We can't speak with him.
No, not right now.
Can we get his name? Since he's gonna get our.
We can't give
It's
him
okay,
your
we'll
name.
get it in the report.
But he's gonna get our names now.
How so?
Because our names are right now are on an incident report and it's public records.
And his name is going to be on the incident report as well.
But
I have
okay.
time. I have time. I can
So
how to obtain reports.
so just so you know, we're not gonna talk to nobody, but we are still gonna take the pictures that we needed from that hallway. Hey, Papa, yo, let me talk to you, man.
Is he willing to apologize? At least, maybe.
Come on.
He
Look.
took my phone and threw it on the ground.
Alright, listen, we've already discussed this with you at length.
Okay.
If you want
If I
to
want to
file a
press
police
charges.
report and press charges against him, you can. We've already indicated that to you, right?
I can see
You
that.
said you did
Don't
not want
explain.
to because you refused to give us phone numbers, okay?
Okay.
If you want to file charges, we are going to need all of your pertinent information.
Okay,
Okay,
so
this
we're
is
not
very simple.
so we're not gonna do that.
Okay,
But
then that's
all
fine.
all we're gonna
Not
do is
everybody
take
has
pictures
phones.
of that hallway like we wanted to
Okay,
because
you
that's
already got it.
no, I haven't gotten it. So Captain,
Yes.
I want to take pictures of that hallway.
You've got pictures already.
No, I didn't.
It doesn't
We
matter.
were
We're not doing
confronted.
anything illegal anyway.
You're allowed to film as much as you want. The only thing that they ask is that you respect the confidentiality of some of the people that come
We
into
didn't
this
go in the
building.
office.
We're not looking at
I
files.
understand you're in the hallway, but for the people who have access to these services, they have
Come on,
to
Captain.
walk in through the
Captain,
public area.
Captain,
But you
there's
have the
no
right to film. I'm just saying.
Captain, there's no expectation of privacy in
I
public.
understand that. But if you have a domestic violence victim and she's coming here for services,
How
you're
we-
going to make her feel uncomfortable.
We're
Yeah,
work-
but how does
we're
anybody-
not
how
here
does
to
anybody
record-
know who-
we're
how
not
are they
he-
gonna know?
I
Okay,
don't
she's
know.
a
You guys
domestic violence.
broadcast your videos.
We do, but we're not here to film
Are you gonna blur
people.
out their faces?
We're here to
We do
film
sometimes.
public
Yeah.
employees.
Sometimes.
If they cause a disturbance, they don't have any
I know.
right to
Do you
ask me to
understand how
blur
it
out
might
their
be
face.
uncomfortable for people to come into this building
I
and they're being
can.
filmed?
I can understand how they'd be uncomfortable. Their uncomfortability doesn't trump my rights.
I'm not disagreeing with that.
I know. Okay,
I'm
so
just telling you
I know,
that
and I didn't say you disagreed. I'm just stating,
we're dealing
I'm
with a lot
make-
of people that are underprivileged and they're victims of things, and you guys make them uncomfortable. Just like sometimes we may make you uncomfortable. You guys make
Did
them
you let them know that it's okay that we can record in that hallway?
We'll let them know.
Yeah.
Yep.
well, that was the whole point. I would hope that you would educate, because that way, if they don't know and this happens again, you guys are gonna be out here for no reason again.
Also, let him know if he doesn't want to be on camera, he can go to the back real quick.
It's
Absolutely.
uncharted
Why would-
territory for them. They're exploring it.
But they took a job that worked with the public, so they can't be like, don't film me. I mean, there's cameras all over this building.
Yes, but you also got to understand a little bit. There are some confidentiality things around here.
Not in public.
Yeah,
Right.
but with
And I was
right.
explaining to him
Right.
inside the office.
Right.
There's nothing confidential outside in the hallway.
It's a publicly accessible area.
Yeah.
So some people might feel uncomfortable, but
Yeah. You
Tough
want me to
luck.
go around?
Oh, no, that's okay.
All right.
all right, bro, we'll let you do your job, man.
Hey,
You
all
take
right,
care,
man.
bro. It was
You
good
take
meeting you,
care,
man.
And I'm sorry about that,
Yeah,
man.
no
I didn't know what
You're
was
good.
going on.
You're good, Papa. Take
All
care.
right.
This video starts with a simple First Amendment audit, but quickly explodes into chaos inside a public building. The auditors are peacefully filming in the government facility when a security guard aggressively confronts them, demanding they take it outside. The tension spikes fast. The guard not only gets physical, putting his hands on one of the auditors, but also tries to intimidate them by shouting and invading their space. Despite being calm and stating clearly that they're independent journalists exercising freedom of the press, the guards escalate things instead of de-escalating. One even grabs a phone and throws it, all while inside a building funded by tax dollars and open to the public. When police arrive, the auditors explain they were assaulted, but instead of immediate help, they're temporarily detained without being told what crime they're suspected of. Officers ask for personal info and start playing the investigate first, rights later game. The auditors push back, reminding them that reasonable suspicion is required before any detention. To their credit, the police eventually acknowledge there's no case here, but not before exposing how badly the situation was handled by both the security staff and responding officers. This was never about creating a disturbance, it was about testing public accountability, and once again the system failed under pressure. And let's keep going.
Roll the window down a little bit so we can talk to you.
You're talking to me just fine.
I can barely hear you.
That's a personal issue, I guess.
Okay, do you have your driver's license?
I do.
Can you hand it to me?
No. What law have I what crime have I committed?
Well, you're being non-compliant right now.
Yeah, because I haven't committed a crime.
I'm just here to talk to you.
Okay, so let's talk.
So
I'm gonna film you. I'm gonna film you for my safety. Huh?
I'm asking you to ID yourself. You're sitting behind the wheel of a vehicle. You're in control of a motor vehicle.
That's off.
So I'm asking for your driver's license.
And I haven't committed a crime, so I'm declining that.
All right, go ahead and make it harder on yourself.
Okay. Like, I haven't even done shit. They just barely got up here.
And what's the issue, man? Why are you being so uncompliant?
Because I never had a good experience with cops. I've always been like racially profiled or some type of, like right now, first thing that whatever dipshit said, his eyes are glossy. I haven't smoked in God knows how long because I'm trying to get a job right now. Like I'm literally staying sober so that I can have a better chance of getting a job.
Okay, so roll down the window and
homie just comes up and says, oh, he's smoking weed. Like, yeah, go yourself. Nah, I haven't even done shit.
Window and talk to me.
I'm talking to you right now.
Okay.
Okay.
So roll down the window, talk to me. We can have a real conversation.
We're having one right now, aren't we?
No, not really.
Okay, well.
Trying to dock through a window, a closed door, and a tinted out window.
It's pretty open. We can hear each other, so that's all that really matters. You can see my hands and I ain't doing nothing. I haven't committed a crime. Y'all haven't like, I don't know. I don't know why 3 of y'all pulled up on me when I haven't done anything. I was really about to get out of my car and just go on a little hike. Because I'm like, clear my mind. I literally have my book right there too. I was going to read my book while hammocking and shit.
Okay. You can still go on a hike. Go read your book.
So what do you guys want?
We just patrol the canyon areas and we stop out and talk to people.
Alright. Well, we're talking.
So, that's all.
Alright. I'm not like...
But you're acting so completely opposite of what the average normal person we deal with. It raises suspicion.
I ain't the average person.
So, you got a criminal history?
No. I do not.
Because you're acting like it.
Well, I don't.
Okay, so if you're not doing anything wrong, you don't have anything to fear, then why are you acting so non-compliant?
Because I don't fuck with 12.
Because what?
I don't like police. For reasons like this, you feel?
Is your name Patricio?
It is. Patricio, yeah.
Patricio?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, how old are you, Patricio?
I don't gotta answer questions.
You in like your 20s?
I'm getting there.
Huh?
Getting there.
Getting there?
Yeah.
You 18?
Y'all got my name, right? You can search it up. I'm sure of it. Got my plates, like...
Huh?
You got my plates.
Yeah.
You got my name. I'm sure you could search it up in your guys' system.
Not really, because the reception up here is horrible.
Well... Yeah, that's true, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
sit out the car. We'll sit out the road and watch it.
Yeah.
Got nothing else to do.
All right. Have fun, dude.
All right, you guys have a good one. Oh my god.